They put it in their stuff. That's all the trays and everything.
Got extra trays. I'll wash all of that. Tape on that too.
This is your tray for the bottom.
It's pretty spacious. It's pretty spacious. The double front door. Oh, that's cool. Open. They both open and close at the same time. So they have broiled steak, rotisserie, baked toast, air fried, eggs. What? Eggs? Pizza, proofing, grill, slow cook. This is very sturdy.
Like, this is your steamed
almost feel like cast iron.
Yeah, you steamed vegetables.
Oh, the basket. We have so many of these baskets. I have a basket from the other one, the copper one. Got the basket for that, and I have another basket over here. So we have a lot of baskets. French door air fryer favorites, and a little cookbook.
These are
brackets and things.
Not sure what all this is for.
Is that a rotisserie thing for hold it in place?
Yes.
Yeah. Gotta wash all of this stuff.
There's so much settings.
Yeah, it's lots of set. Oh, they have to dehydrate. I see that. Sucky. And I could proof the dough. I'm doing pizza bread. That's cool. Pizza, chicken, rotisserie, vegetables, steak, fish, ribs, eggs, fries, wings, air fried bacon, broil, bake, roast. Wow, reheat, pastry, grill, slow cook. Wow. That is something.